Excuse me, could I borrow your laptop charger?
Sure, USB-C. Here you go.
Thanks, I'll bring it right back.
Would you mind if I sit closer? The cable's short.
Not at all. Pull up a chair. You borrow, I lend. Last favor, lend me your voice for a quick intro.
Only if I keep my good side.
Coffee English. Borrow versus lend.
Do you hear that hum?
Neon talks when it wants.
It just said hi.
Ask what? Ask who's really here.
It answered.
It's spelling again.
Behind you.
This isn't just glass, it's showing someone else's truth.
Why are they smiling?
This isn't just glass, it's showing someone else's truth.
Your turn.
Looking for this? Oh, thank you. You saved my day.
And saved me from buying a new one.
Check the counter. Maybe you left it there.
Nothing. It's not here. Liam! I think my phone is gone.
What? We were just here 2 minutes ago.